it's AJ, welcome back. And for today's destination, we are at Laguna Beach. It's a beautiful day to be outside, and I'm just gonna show you guys around. So here at Laguna Beach, there's actually a really cool landmark that not everyone knows about, and it's called the Pirates Tower. And in order to get to the Pirates Tower, you have to go through this small passageway with rocks, and it has to be a low tide time frame in order to get in there. It's about 10:30 right now. Low tide is about 9:30, and we hope that the tide is already receding so we can actually get in there and get some really cool shots today. So let's check it out, and hopefully we have some luck. As you can see from the tide chart for today, at about 9:30 the tide hit as high as 4 feet. Right now it's 10:30, so hopefully the tide already receded down to 3 feet or less. As you can see, also the best time to go is around 3 a.m. where the tide is only about 1 foot. Alright, we're making our way down to the beach. According to my Pokemon Go map, we just have to go down this path and we should be able to find the tower at Victoria Beach. Alright, here's the entrance. Drums here, unfortunately. Here's see the waves are coming up pretty high right now. Here's a little man-made wading pool that you can go play around in. I think this is it. Just have to go through this crevice. It's closer than I thought. I think the tower is like right here. So once we get through it, we'll see the legendary Pirates Tower. Okay, the tides are really coming up. Let's get to it before we can't go anymore. Alright, so it's getting really dangerous here. You can see the tide is actually coming up. But it's right here. Let's see if we can get closer. Woo. Okay, my feet's wet. My feet is wet. Oh my gosh. That got me. pretty cool. Look, there's still clams here. Can't ship totally stop. Like, wonder if you can eat these. There's so many. Hey, check this out. I think I found a crab. That's pretty cool. Right here, it's a little crab. Ooh, what is that? I think there's a spider also. Gosh. Get out of here. I don't know, crab here. See this one? We are completely wet right now. But here it is. The Pirate Tower. Get around. What's up? There's a little window here. I wonder if you can go in. Some stairs. Okay. A little dungeon. Yeah, I think you can go in. Seahorses? See what's inside. This is it. This is it. See. Alright, so I don't think we can fly our drone here, so we can't capture some of that really cool drone shots. We'll give it a shot if we can, but it's kind of dangerous. I think I'm going to lose my drone in this riptide. Wow. Alright, we got some pretty cool shots. I know it's a no drone zone, but yeah, we were able to get some pretty cool drone shots. So that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.